With Nissan, Toyota, Chevrolet, and Hyundai all offering new subcompacts, the segment is really heating up, and now Honda gets in the game with the Fit. Based on its reputation for quality and reliability, Honda hopes the Fit fits the American market the way it already has in Asia and Europe, where it has experienced clear success. Under the hood, the Fit is powered by a 1.5-liter, 109-horsepower 4-cylinder engine mated to a 5-speed manual, or first in this segment, a 5-speed automatic transmission. Even more of a surprise is a Fit Sport model that offers steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. Fuel economy ratings of 33 city and 38 highway are expected. Smartly designed, the Fit makes the most of its small stature, offering 91 cubic feet of cargo room with 21 cubic feet behind the second row. This space is available because Honda has moved the fuel tank to the middle of the car, allowing the cargo floor to sit much lower. In addition to convenience, Honda emphasizes safety with anti-lock brakes with electronic brake distribution, 3-point seat belts for all passengers, and 6 airbags to protect occupants from all angles. But safety won't necessarily convince a young buyer to consider the Fit, but a good set of standard and available optional features might. The Fit has over 30 dealer-installed accessories available, including an integrated iPod connection. Even with stiff competition, Honda has proven time and again that they know how to make great cars, so it would be no surprise if the Fit takes the subcompact segment by storm.